Video marketers from businesses, both small and large, all want to leverage the power of social networks to have their video be seen and engaged with by a massive number of people on a daily basis. However, marketers have already noticed that now it's harder than ever to get people to click through to watch the video, or to convince viewers to unmute the auto-played video. The reason for that is the distrust in the video content, caused by the majority of popular video publishers picking up thumbnails that are misleading, or adding intros to autoplayed videos which has little to do with the actual content. This so-called view bait trend became so big that now it leaves the majority of viewers frustrated after they invested time in watching the video, which they thought had different content. The growing viewers' frustration results in rapidly diminishing number of both click-through rates to watch the videos and unmute rates of autoplayed videos. So, what's the solution? We are about to reveal the simplest, yet most powerful video marketers tool on the planet to avoid content distrust and convert casual social media wanderers into engaged viewers in order to drive traffic, generate leads, build subscribers lists, and make more sales. But before we do that, it is worth to notice that recent studies have found that one of the main reasons why people don't click to watch or unmute autoplayed video is lack of upfront knowledge about the content of the video they are about to watch. The same study has found out that creating visually engaging videograms that provide more context instantly increase number views, viewers' engagements, and viewers' action rate. However, while the study findings were known for some time, only large corporations with their deep pockets could afford to build internal solutions to leverage the power of Videogram. That all changes with Videogram Creator. Videogram Creator is a result of the collective obsession to build up the most advanced and easy-to-use videogram creation software. The software done by the same team of people who previously created Explaindio Video Creator used by tens of thousands of video marketers in their businesses. The Videogram Creator is, in many ways, the fusion of proprietary, highly advanced video scan technology, revolutionary smart keyframe selection algorithm, and matrix randomization engine. Visually engaging videograms produced by the software drastically reduce viewer hesitation, which results in significant increase of click-through, traffic, and call-to-action engagement. The Videogram Creator software allows you to create a large number of different looking videograms for the very same video. That allows for large increase of video views, keeps videograms catchy in timelines, and increases sharing. Videogram Creator technology also converts wanderers on social networks without video support, like Pinterest and Tumblr, to video viewers and action takers. Videograms can drive viewers' traffic from Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Tumblr, Instagram, and most of other websites. Historically, lack of accessible videogram technology has led entrepreneurs or even bigger businesses to use outdated static thumbnail technology. It all changes with Videogram. With this tool, video marketers from businesses both small and large can convince more people to view and engage with their videos to generate more leads and sales without the previous restraints. Now we invite you to transform your social video marketing and get results you are looking for. Click the button below to get started.